Hi everyone, I am Chamal Senaratna from Team Octopipers. Today I am really excited to present the product we built for the Innovate with Ballerina competition. It's called NomadPage. So here's the situation. Right now the tourism sector here in Sri Lanka picking up again, which is really great for our economy because we face a huge crisis over the past 2 to 3 years and now we are recovering from it. Along with this industry, we saw there's another opportunity here. That is, more people are considering Sri Lanka as a place to live and work as a digital nomads. I hope you guys already know what is digital nomad and stuff. So we noticed this trend on Reddit and other forums. People constantly asking questions like, where can I stay? What are the cost of living? Are there any local meetups, networking events? Lot of questions asking. Even some people considering Sri Lanka as a next Bali. And while there are already global sites like Nomad list that built by this indie hacker called Peter Levels that provide general information for digital nomads, like lot of services, we realized that there's nothing something really tailored for Sri Lanka. No platform that all the local needs details together in one place. So we ask ourselves, what if we build that missing platform? It's like a centralized place where nomads planning to come here can find everything they need from city guides, co-working places, events, meetups, everything that's useful for them. And that's why we built NomadPage. Now I will explain how the system works. Here the front end is built using Next.js and the backend implemented using Ballerina programming language. And when user come into the website, this is the page that he can see. And to access the actual dashboard, he need to sign in with the system. For that, we use WSO tools Asgardio as authentication provider for this. Now when after clicking this sign in button, this will redirect to this Asgardio page where we need to add our user details and to sign into the system. After completing the sign in process, this is the page you can see in the dashboard. In this overview page, we implemented some utility tools and I am not going to explain them much deeper. So here we have some currency conversion tool and weather details, latest news, and like that tool we implemented. And I need to mention this news part. Here we use Python BS4 to scrape the newswire.lk website, and from that we fetch the latest news on this front end. And for the currency and weather API, we use some free API available in the internet, and we fetch them using Ballerina HTTP client.
Hi, my name is Hasitha Randika and I will present you the most important parts of our project. First one is the city rank. As you can see, there are some listed cities in Sri Lanka, Colombo, Galle and Nuwara, and users also can add new cities from clicking this add new city button. And in here you can see the basic information, the form that you input basic info and locations. Next you can see the locations and you can upload images and highlight features, attitude, longitude, and these are the features you can add. And next the ratings, and I'm not going to add new city in here. Let's look at the column. Here you can see some updated image uploaded by users, a city description in here and overall rating. In here you can see the overall rating is getting by the rate city typed by the users. All this data stored in our Superbase PostgreSQL database, and the rating are calculated automatically. In here you can see many rating criterias and you can submit the ratings. According to that, your overall rating can be increased or decreased. And also each city has a chat feature in here. You can see under the community chat, you can have a chat feature in here. And users can ask questions and discuss before visiting. And this is a real-time chat experience thanks to Ballerina WebSockets. And users can view the chat history, how the people know about the cities like us and get the full idea about the city. Next, we move to the incident maps. This is also a huge major function in our project. In here, you can see the right side of this page. We have displayed a map of Sri Lanka. If someone notices, in here you can see some red marks and normal map. And you can see in the right side active incidents, power cuts, traffic jams, and safety issues and others. When you double click on this map, you can report a new incident. Think that you got a power outage in Rajagiri side. Just double click on it and you can set the incident type, power cut, and description, just sample power cut, and you can have the latitude, longitude, and report incident. In the real time, you can see here Rajagiri, you can see the power cut outage notification to users that can be hacked by other members. And other users can see what's happening, they even connect with authorities like traffic or tourist police. For the future, we plan to send real-time notifications to the user area so they are instantly aware of any incidents. Thanks to Ballerina, we can successfully create this. And I will explain about how meetups and co-working places works. In here, you can see the meetup button, and when you dive into there, you can see a create meetup button and you can see a filtering option method. And when you click the create new meetup button, you can enter the basic information, date and time, venue information, and pricing and the capacity. You can make some ticks in here. And we created sample meetups using Ballerina REST APIs, and also in here you can upload image. And we integrated AWS S3 buckets along with the Ballerina S3 connectors to upload meetups images in here. And after all, you can click the create meetup button. I have already created some meetups, and let's go WSO2 Connection. And in here you can see in the left side all the venue, date, time, attendances, and also you can join here meetups and organizing and other things. In here, the special thing is you can see a live chat. We have built a real-time chat feature powered by Ballerina WebSockets, and this allows participants to have live conversations during the event. And also we showcase that this WSO2 Connection, highlighting how chat and meetups can work together in real time. And moving on to the co-working places module, here and you can see add new space. In here you can enter the basic information, price information, and all the necessary details. And here we use Ballerina to implement CRUD operations to manage already listed places, and also created a new place through Ballerina REST APIs. And in here also you can upload an image to an AWS S3 bucket using Ballerina S3 connectors. Finally, when users explore co-working places in here, it redirects with the appropriate URL within all the details, and you can see there are 4 available spaces, and according to that you click on one, he will direct to the URL and see all the details. So in summary, in these meetups and places, co-working places, we use Ballerina REST APIs and AWS S3 integrations and real-time WebSockets to deliver an interactive experience for both meetups and co-working spaces.
So another feature we implemented here is this remote jobs. And here we use this API called nomadworker.com, and using that we fetch the latest jobs that posted by a lot of companies around the world. And using Ballerina HTTP client, we fetch the jobs and display on this front end, as you can see. And also we have some advanced filtering to filter the job by salary, category, and flexibility, and lot of features, lot of filtering methods. And for that we use Ballerina query parameter to query in this filter and get the jobs that user need.